What's up, guys? Do you think this cool budget crawler can make it up the hill? How about if we're blindfolded?
I probably should have waited to blindfold him till we got over to the hill.
Still juice?
Okay, no, you gotta go right. Okay, you're upside down. Okay, juice. Too much juice.
Put it off a friendly challenge.
Yeah!
This is the best audience we've ever had. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's taking a nap and Popeye's battening down the hatches. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. I'm so glad you guys are here. Today's video is going to be a lot of fun because we have this very cool budget-friendly crawler. We love crawlers. They are so much fun. Everybody can get into crawlers.
And look at my accessories from one of you guys. You all sent me that. That's so cool.
Yes, actually, someone at RC Fest gave those to you. Stickers all over.
Thanks.
This is going to be so much fun. Abby and I are going to work together on this video to try to get this truck up the hill for a hill climb challenge blindfolded. The driver will be blindfolded, so we have to communicate and help each other out. First, we're going to just drive it around for like 30 seconds because we've never driven this before, see how it drives, and then we're going to go right to the hill. What do you guys think of this? It's four-wheel drive.
Look at
fully
how
proportional.
it looks so cool. Look at the paint job on it.
The attention to detail.
Look how many cool points it has. There's 2, 4, 6, 8 extra cool points. This thing's topping the scales at 100 right now.
Yeah.
It can only go down now.
I think it's very cool that there's actually a full-scale tire on here. All these little accessories with the luggage rack. Most of the time you got to pay a lot more for this. So I'm wondering, is this truck going to be kind of a dud at driving? We're going to find out. Let's drive. Awesome. It's quiet.
It is quiet.
What? That's a brush motor. Bring that over here. I want to hear this thing. Wow, that's like the quietest crawler we own. That is very interesting. I wonder if it's going to have the torque that we need to get up the hill. Now guys, this is not the hill. This is just a baby spot that we're going to give it a quick little practice run to see if it can do it with eyesight, right? Fully proportional steering and throttle. Guys, this thing comes in at like 140 bucks with headlights installed and tail lights. It's very dry out, and look at that. Bouncing right up the hill. Nice.
I like this. This is cool.
Yeah, I do too.
It looks so good.
It looks really good. I love, oh, that was a little fast. That was a little fast. I think we're ready for the blindfold test.
All right, he's blindfolded. Here you go. Do you want me to carry the truck over there?
And hold my hand probably.
I can't do both.
I got it.
I probably should have waited to blindfold him till we got over to the hill.
This is crazy. It's really bright out and I actually can't see.
Well, you have your sunglasses on underneath it.
Yeah, that's true. But
prescription sunglasses.
Tell me if we're going to.
Okay, come over here. Come over here.
I feel like I'm going to stub a toe.
Over here. We got people watching us. Yeah, the hill is right in front of you.
Yeah, okay, all right. That felt like a short walk.
You did it. You were good.
Okay, all right, okay.
Okay, you can't see anything?
Kind of my toes, but no, I won't. If I had to, in order to see the hill, I'd have to do this. So I'm good.
Okay, there's the truck.
I really can't see anything.
All right, go. I'll lead you. I'll guide you.
Okay, yeah, I'm going.
You're probably gonna have to give it more throttle.
Okay.
Way more throttle. Okay, you're going up the hill now.
Good.
You gotta give it juice.
I'm going.
No, you're going upside down. No, stop. Come here.
Can I see it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah.
You made it that far.
Okay. Dude, you gotta reset it. Okay, ready?
Yeah, go.
All right. I think I need to be able to see to do this.
How many chances are we gonna give you on this?
I was gonna say 3, but I feel like I should get more now.
Like 5?
So your job, you gotta like really keep me so I don't roll.
Right.
Okay, let's do it.
Give it juice. Lots of juice. It's gotta make it through the area.
Okay, still juice?
Okay, no, you gotta go right. Okay, you're upside down. Okay, juice. Too much juice. There you go. Okay, go right a little bit. Okay. Yeah, you gotta go right. Okay, left is too much right. You're upside down. Okay, you're rolling.
Oh, this poor truck. I
you're
heard
on
it.
your side.
I heard it. You're talking a lot of smack when the camera's off. That's not. She says she's not going to roll this. Well, because I'm going to give good directions. That's why.
Okay, you gotta avoid. You're upside down. You've rolled again.
Well, you're not giving me any direction.
Okay.
You're just like,
Go.
oh, you failed.
Go, go, go. Go. Okay. Go right. No, too much right. You're upside down. You're upside down. Well, you're on your side. Okay, my turn.
Okay. What was that? 5 tries?
That was 5 tries.
This is so funny.
I can't see anything.
It's good.
I have my eyes closed, so I can't.
Okay, this in my mind was way easier than what it actually is. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, right, a little touch of right, and about left, and straighten it out. And oh, just rolled. I think the GoPro's making it like top heavy. It rolls so easy. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna reset you right here because I want this to get up the hill. So you just rolled over. All I did was barely fix you, so just go straight ahead at about like 3/4 throttle. Keep going. Keep going, full throttle. Okay, just let off the throttle. And now go full throttle now. There you go. Easy, straighten it out. Okay, all right, we just rolled once. Stay there, stay there. I'm gonna reset you again because all you're doing is barely rolling over. Okay, throttle, half throttle, 3/4, go full throttle. Okay, ease off for a second. Stop, not full. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay. We made it about 2 inches on that one. We can do it. We're getting there. Oh my gosh, we're over halfway up the hill.
Don't fall.
I'm not going to. Okay, I've reset you. I did straighten you out. And go about half throttle, straight. Turn right a hair, turn right a hair.
Why does it go like that?
Because you got a stick in the tire. Stop. Oh. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get this. There was a huge briar in there. That is crazy. Okay, I think we're gonna get it now. Okay, just like half throttle and go straight. And left a touch, right a touch, full throttle. Go right a hair. Right a hair more. Okay, what you're gonna do is ease off for 1 second and then juice it. Okay, no! Oh, we were so close. You look like Ninja Abby. Take your blindfold off and look how high up you made it.
That's pretty good.
Not bad. So I think from there you should just do the rest without the blindfold and see if it can do the hill.
With the GoPro, I think the GoPro is the factor that's messing with it.
She's saying the GoPro is the factor that's messing with it because it probably is, because the extra weight on the top is really making it top heavy. See if you can go from here, Abby. Well, it's amazing what eyesight can do. Oh no! Yeah.
Let's try that way.
Okay, GoPro is off. It's actually a no pro. We've decided to reset it. No blindfold. It is so hot out here, guys. It was 95 degrees when we left the house. This truck looks so cool. Oh! That's a top heavy truck.
Come on, baby.
This is your last shot. And then I get a shot. I think it looks really good. This,
I think the tire in the back is what's messing with it.
it's got extra weight in the back too.
Much weight in the back.
So I think this is more of a scaler than a trailer or a climber. There we go. You're doing good. This is a tough spot. It's a very tough spot. Oh my gosh. There you go. Oh, you had a stick that was holding you in place. My turn. Blindfolded, I don't think we could ever get up this hill because we're having troubles without the blindfold.
Haven't made it yet.
Look at this truck though, it's so cool.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Those little bungees look good on there, don't they?
Yeah.
Even though they're bright pink.
I like it.
Or back, I'm tipping back. See when the front of the truck goes up a little bit, the weight from the tire and those cool details, the accessories, they weigh the back down a lot. But I got past
This
that.
is the hardest part.
Yeah, because the tires are slipping, but I'm keeping my momentum up.
You are. Oh, you won!
Well, it started off a friendly challenge.
Yeah!
This is the best audience we've ever had. They've been watching us do this, the blindfold and everything, so that's awesome. We made it. There we go. Oh no! I'd hate to be in that car now. Oh, okay, well, guys, this thing is awesome. We just came over to the shade because it is, first of all, I am literally dripping sweat, so this is pretty rare for us to.
Was that, did you say 95? It feels way hotter
When we
than
left
that.
the house, that's what it said. But look at this, guys, we've got the little
The lights.
One time I called this an exhaust. It's an air intake for the
I wouldn't
engine.
have known that.
So when, you know, it's not real, it's just plastic. But the details, we have mirrors on here. Even the little mud guards.
Lights on my back too.
Yeah, there's tail lights that look really good. The little mud guards actually work and function. You see they're
Cool.
truly cupping up over the tire to help keep things out of here. And I wanted to show you guys this. They even thought as far as to help weigh the truck down. Probably they realized they have to because of the extra weight from the tire in the back. But there's weight here and here. The motor is actually very big. I don't know what size motor that is off the top of my head.
Some of these weights should go up here.
I think so too now, yeah. There needs to be better weight distribution on here, but the lights, if you need to, you can unplug those wires.
It's nice.
And then you can take the whole body, the body away from the truck. And yeah, I will say the frame of the truck is a little cheap. The shocks are pretty tight and bouncy and cheap. But the truck itself, when this is on it and you're out driving,
so cool.
It looks really good. It actually made it up the hill with a lot of effort, yes, and we needed total teamwork to make it happen. But I really like this thing. And for that price, you really just can't complain too much at all. I'm a huge fan. The transmitter's really nice. It comes with a rechargeable battery, and I think it charged via USB cable if I remember right, but it's a Dean's plug, so you can charge it on your hobby grade charger. Guys, we'll have this truck linked in the description box below. I would love nothing more if you've made it this far into the video, then at least consider subscribing to our channel because we do all kinds of RC fun stuff like this almost every single day. We do our best to get out whenever the weather permits and the family permits to get out and have fun. Poor little Amelia, sometimes her naps are unpredictable. So, hey, this thing is great. And it just kind of reflects how we do our channel all the time. We like to have fun with every single RC product that we feature on our channel. And if it actually works, then we give you a thumbs up and tell you it's worth your hard-earned money. And if it doesn't, it gets the opposite, a thumbs down, and we tell you not to buy it. So you're saving money by watching our channel too. If you want to up your cool points on all of your RCs, we have TheRcSaylors stickers. Very cool. They up your cool points by 2 per sticker. It's actually a proven fact now. At first we were skeptical, we didn't know an exact number, but we had the scientists look into it, the mathematicians. It is officially 2 per sticker, so there's that for you. and the awesome thing is, when you buy these stickers through our Patreon page, they take the smallest cut of any cut anyone can take, and most of those profits go to help the channel so we can continue to bring you guys awesome RC family-friendly content like this. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye! I'm holding body clips, so that's why I had to go. Bye!